Hello, my friends. Welcome again in my YouTube channel, Doctor Entrance Exam. Today's lesson is on psychiatry, highly important points to memorize. Alzheimer's disease is the overall most common cause of dementia in adults and most common cause of irreversible dementia. Toxic dementia is the most common cause of reversible dementia. Multi-infarct dementia (MID) due to minute infarcts is the most common type of vascular dementia. Delirium, aka acute organic brain syndrome, is the most common organic psychiatric disorder. Clouding of consciousness is a characteristic feature of delirium and is absent in dementia. Immediate memory is impaired while remote memory is preserved in delirium. Vice versa occurs in organic amnestic syndrome. AIDS, dementia, and Huntington's chorea are examples of subcortical dementia, while Alzheimer's disease is related to cortical dementia. Pseudodementia is seen in depression. Dementia pugilistica, aka punch-drunk syndrome, is associated with repetitive minor trauma to brain, especially in boxers. Anterograde amnesia is most common in Korsakoff syndrome. Psychotic disorders are associated with loss of clinical insight and gross impairment in reality interpretation. Brief psychotic disorder (BPD) is characterized by typical psychotic symptoms lasting from 1 to 30 days and then a full return to the premorbid level of functioning. Brief psychotic disorder (BPD) can be preceded by a stressor or can be postpartum. Neurotic disorder have preserved insight and personality and are associated with mild changes in affect and thought process. Flight of idea and thought block are disorders of a flow of thought. Thought alienation is characteristically seen in schizophrenia. Onset of grief 2 weeks after the event is known as delayed grief. Chronic grief is defined as reaction lasting for more than 6 months after the event. Schizophrenia was coined by Eugene Buller. Modification of mesial temporal lobe are classically associated with schizophrenia. Risk of schizophrenia is 10% if one parent is affected. Schizophrenia is essentially a cognitive or formal thought disorder. Dementia is not associated with schizophrenia. Phencyclidine ingestion reproduces schizophrenia like symptoms. One-year-old schizophrenia is a rare form of psychosis causing an acute onset of clouding of consciousness that is related to a vivid dream-like state. Simple schizophrenia is the least common form and is associated with poor prognosis. Eugene Bleuler's fundamental symptoms occur. Four A's include ambivalence, autism, affect disturbance, and association loss. Presence of negative symptoms and male gender are associated with poor prognosis in schizophrenia. Self mutilation is seen in schizophrenia associated with Van Gogh syndrome. Neologism is a prominent feature of disorganized aka hebephrenic schizophrenia. Auditory hallucinations are the most common type of hallucinations associated with schizophrenia. Ambivalence in motor movement, that is, ambitendency, occurs in schizophrenia. Type 1 schizophrenia is associated with positive symptoms with normal ventricles, good response to medications, and better prognosis. Clozapine is the drug of choice in treatment resistant schizophrenia. Agranulocytosis and myocarditis are dose independent side effects of clozapine, while seizures due to clozapine are dose dependent. Schizoaffective disorder can be distinguished from psychotic disorders by persistent, for at least 2 weeks, of the psychotic symptoms after mood symptoms have resolved. Combination of antipsychotics and mood stabilizer is the treatment of choice for schizoaffective disorder. Schizophreniform disorder is a schizophrenia that fails to last for 6 months. Symptoms of adjustment disorder are seen for a time period of 3 to 6 months. Symptoms of adjustment disorder with concomitant prolonged depression may last until 2 years. Approximate answer Akka verbieridan is seen in Ganser's syndrome. Onset and termination of symptoms in dissociative figure is sudden along with patients being unaware or lacking insight. Labelle indifference is a prominent feature of dissociative disorder. Patient does not lack insight in dissociative amnesia. Increased levels of norepinephrine in hippocampus and amygdala is a prominent feature of PTSD. Acrophobia refers to fear of height or high places. Xenophobia refers to fear of strangers. Systematic desensitization is composed of making hierarchy, exposure, and then relaxation for proper desensitization. Agoraphobia is best described by irrational fear of closed as well as open spaces. Insanity is characterized by inability to control impulses rationally. Elation of mood and increased distractibility is seen in mania. Homicidal and suicidal tendencies might coexist in a patient with severe depression and bipolar disorder. Onset of generalized anxiety disorder is normally seen before 18 to 20 years of age. Somatization disorder is also known as Burkitt syndrome. Symptoms of somatization disorder are never produced intentionally by the patient. Pseudologia fantastica is associated with Munchausen's syndrome. Malingering is associated with motive of external reward as opposed to factitious disorder where patient fakes illness for the sole purpose of medical attention. Feature of anarchistic personality disorder is rigidity and stubbornness. Odd beliefs, unusual speech, and perception is seen in schizotypal personality disorder. Patients with type A personality have increased risk of coronary heart disease. Behavior therapy is the treatment of choice for borderline personality disorder. Personality disorder characterized by disregard for social norms and incapacity to experience guilt is antisocial personality disorder. Personality disorders are usually evident by adolescence. Personality with traits like disciplined, parsimonious punctuality, liking cleanliness, etc. is anarchistic. Paranoid personality comes under cluster A. Dramatic emotionality, suggestibility, and over-concern with physical attractiveness, traits of histrionic personality disorder. Personality disorder, more common in females, is histrionic. Type D personality is a poor outcome for coronary artery disease. Type A personality behavior pattern includes competitiveness, time urgency, and hostility. Type D distressed personality is not only a risk factor for development of ischemic heart disease, it also leads to worse prognosis following a myocardial infarction. Type D personality is both a prognostic and a risk factor for ISD. ISD means ischemic heart disease. Persistent somatoform pain disorder, aka somatic symptoms disorder, presents with persistent and unexplained pain. LATA is a culture bound syndrome characterized by automatic obedience, echolalia, and echopraxia. Dissociative amnesia is the most common type of dissociative disorder. Soff-Ganser syndrome is usually seen in prisoners, but it is not exclusive to them. The symptoms in malingering are produced consciously with a conscious motive. while in hysteria, the symptoms and motives are unconscious. The only indication for naltrexone in opioid dependence is relapse prevention in highly motivated patients. Cannabis and hallucinogens can cause flashback phenomena. In delirium, the hallucinations and delusions are not constant, rather, they are transient and not systematized, unlike in schizophrenia. Dementia is defined as progressive impairment of cognitive functions in the absence of an disturbances of consciousness. Flocculation, aka carpologia, refers to aimless picking behavior where patient appears to be picking at his clothes or bed. The neurotransmitter involved in delirium is H, and the neuroanatomical area involved is the reticular area. In Alzheimer's disease, the disease process usually spares cerebellum. Step ladder pattern is typical of vascular dementia. The onset of narcolepsy is mostly in adolescence. The sleep spindles and K complexes are seen in stage 2nd NREM. Somnambulism is usually seen in NREM 3rd and 4th slow wave sleep. Nocturnal penile erection are a feature of REM sleep. Teeth grinding or bruxism is seen in NREM 2nd. The most common chromosomal cause of ID, means intellectual disability, is Down syndrome followed by Fragile X syndrome. Scholastic difficulty in a particular skill is sign of or symptom of specific learning disability. Mental retardation is more common in boys. The formula for IQ is mental age upon chronological age into 100. Neurotic illness develops due to fixation at phallic stage. Fear of darkness is nyctophobia. Guilty, intense sadness seen in melancholia. CAM, confusion assessment method test is used for delirium. Early age of onset not a risk factor for delusional disorder. Hoarding has poor response to treatment with exposure and response prevention. Premature ejaculation is seen in orgasmic phase. Somnambulism false is the person is conscious, means the false statement about somnambulism is that the person is conscious. According to Pasco, aggravated sexual offense if the abused child is mentally ill or when the abuse is committed by first armed forces or security forces, second person in a position of trust like a family member, police officer, teacher or doctor. Type 1 schizophrenia, acute illness, good prognosis, intellect maintained. Treatment of morphine dependence by methadone, buprenorphine, clonidine, naltrexone. Schizophrenia patient started on risperidone. Its side effect can be minimized through injection promethazine. In EEG, REM sleep includes eye movement, sawtooth appearance. Somatri pattern selectively binds to and activates serotonin 5-HTID receptors in CNS, thereby constructing cerebral blood flow. Side effect of antidepressants presents with bleeding is due to vitamin K deficiency. Bulimia nervosa referred for irresistible urge to eat craving, followed by episodes of self-induced vomiting. Cause of respiratory acidosis is respiratory depression, narcotic overdose, CNS depression, COPD, pneumothorax, atelectasis. Spike's protocol is to break bad news. Full form of Spikes is like this: S stands for setting, P for perception, I for invitation, K for knowledge, E for empathy, and S stands for strategy and summary. The provision a mentally ill patient have the right of choosing his caregiver, and the further course of management is because of advance directive. Freud's theory interpretation of dream includes displacement, condensation, symbolization, expression, and consequent release of previously repressed emotions is abreaction. Mental retardation is now known as intellectual disability. Chronic alcoholic not drunk for last 3 days presents with visual hallucinations and delirium is delirium tremens. Down syndrome comes under category of oligophrenia. Antipsychotic causing prolactinoma is risperidone. Ruth classified exhibitionism into the following two types. First, type 1, the inhibited flaccid exposure, and type 2 is the sociopathic exposure who may have a history of other misconduct. Thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel Dr. Entrance Exam.